Good morning, students. Today we will do our new chapter, Project Sunshine. Okay, so before starting the chapter, there is an activity, warm up activity. Join the numbers to complete this drawing of a plane, then color the plane. Okay, first of all, join the dots and then color. Jeet and his friend Rakesh were talking about their EVS project. Jeet asked Rakesh what he was making. Rakesh could not hide his excitement. I'm making a model of our school with my dad. What about you? So, in this chapter, the beginning from two friends, Jeet and his friend Rakesh. They were making EVS project. Okay, and what they were making, they asked to each other. They were making an EVS project. Okay, and I'm making a model of our school with my dad. Rakesh could not hide his excitement. Excitement means eagerness to show what he was making. What about you? Now, what Jeet was making? Jeet made a face. If only I could figure that out, he muttered. Okay, so Jeet was not accurate, was not able to tell about it. Means able to understand what he made. He muttered. He muttered means he murmured. Okay, as he looked out of the window, thinking hard. He was thinking while looking at the window. He was thinking hard. Hard means forcefully, delightfully. He saw an aeroplane flying into the horizon. Okay, horizon means touching skyline, range of vision. So he saw an aeroplane flying into the horizon. Idea. Then came to an idea. He shouted, I'm going to build a model plane. Let me ask Uncle Shrish. Shrish. Okay, Uncle Shrish arrived on Saturday morning. He looked as smart as always. He was a pilot with the Indian Air Force. So Uncle Shrish arrived Saturday morning and he was smart looking. Okay, and he was pilot in the Indian Air Force. Okay, so Uncle Shrish was all smiles. Uncle Shrish looked very happy, delightful, extremely happy. Don't you worry, Jeet. You will have the best project in your class. But we must work to a plan. First, we need a design, cried Jeet, who had already found a thing or two on making toy planes from the internet with the help of his father. So Uncle Shrish made a sketch. Jeet wrote down the measurements as Uncle Shrish called them out. Okay, so now Jeet was very happy and Uncle Shrish made a drawing. Sketch means a drawing. Okay, so Jeet wrote down all the measurements or calculations as Uncle Shrish called them out. Then, with the help of Uncle Shrish, he quickly drew up a list of they would need. Drew up means prepared a list. Now the list I am showing you. One piece of wood for the body, some smaller, thinner pieces of wood for the wings and tail, two ice cream sticks for the propellers, one round wooden stick for the nose, a small piece of iron wire or paper clip for the axle of the propellers. Jeet was now almost in tears, but we don't have all these in the toolbox, he cried. Because Jeet was not having that material with him. So that's why he cried. Don't worry, said Jeet's father. We will buy all these from the market. Let's get in the car. And he was eager to get started. Eager means strongly wanted to do, have something. Okay, so we will buy from the market. They spent in the morning at uh, at the market buying each item carefully. After they came back, the three sat down to the task. Three means the three of them, Rakesh, Ankashrish, and Jeet, Rakesh, Ankashrish. Okay. Mother made them tea after sandwich. Jeet helped Uncle Shirish and his father build the plane. Jeet was also a helping hand of his father and with Uncle Shirish. The three of them means Jeet, Uncle Shirish and father. They took the bigger piece of wood for the body and drew the design on one side. Then they cut out the basic shape with the saw. When the basic shape was done, they used sandpaper to make the edges smooth. Okay, now they have material and they started cut down in the pieces and drew something. Drew means to draw something on one side. Okay, and cut with a saw means a cutter. Okay, with blade. For the wings and tail, they took some small pieces of wood. They drew the wing and tail measurements on the wood and sawed them off. Sawed them off, cut those off. Then came the fun part. Jeet glued the pieces of wings and tail together. Okay. So Jeet was also interested and taking part in this making of EVS project. So Jeet glued, okay, the pieces of wings and tail together of the plane. Now for the propellers, they used two ice cream sticks. Propellers means the first, the wings of an aeroplane front. Okay, they glued the two sticks onto each other into the middle. So Jeet rushed as Uncle Shirish filed a larger round stick until it was right shape. So that was to become the nose of the plane. Okay, so bit by bit the plane was taking shape. Now plane gradually, step by step, the plane was taking shape and finally it was ready. Yippee shows or expression of excitement or delightness or happiness. To explain happiness, we use the word yippee. Shouted Jeet. May I paint it now? Of course, said his father, smiling broadly. Okay, his father was smiling. His father was openly open mouth, smiling. Jeet painted the plane bright yellow. So you can look at the picture also. The plane was looking yellow. Can I fly it now? Asked Jeet once the paint was dry. Okay, of course, laughed Uncle Shirish. Ask your friends to join you. Boy, they will be thrilled. They will be thrilled. They will be very happy to see your EVS project. In no time, Jeet and his friends were running around the playground pretending to fly the toy plane. What fun, the children cried together. Have you thought of a name for your plane? Asked his father. Now, it should be any name, okay, of this EVS project. So, have you thought any name? His father asked. I shall call it Sunshine, Jeet replied proudly. Jeet answered with a feeling of satisfaction. At last his EVS project was ready. So I shall call it Sunshine. What is the name of the plane? Sunshine. Jeet couldn't wait to take the plane to school. That night he put his proud. Now because he has completed his work, so he felt proud. Creation Creation inside a large cardboard box. On the box, in bright shining red letters, he wrote. What he wrote in the red letters, Jeet Gupta, Class 3 EVS project. Now, Jeet's project was ready. This is a story of Project Sunshine. Okay, in this, Jeet and Rakesh were two friends and they were making EVS project. Okay, Jeet asked Rakesh what he was making. So in the beginning of they discussed both friends with each other, but one friend Jeet was not able to tell that what he was what he planned about the project. But gradually, with the help of parents or with the help of uncle, he completed his EVS project successfully. So also you can plan any project, and with the help of parents you can complete your project, complete your target successfully. You can achieve it. So today we discussed the chapter number 5, Project Sunshine. Hope you all understood about this EVS project. Thank you.